1,000 birds, representing 400 species, many of which are endangered. Sit back and enjoy your journey into the colorful world of birds. Here at the Jurong Bird Park, there's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the shows and keep a chit-chat sessions to learn more about our friendly heroes. The Pools Amphitheatre to your right features the High Flyers show at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. You are certain to be awed by an exhilarating lineup of bird stars and free-flying performances. Coming up to your left are the bright red scarlet ibises. They are fed a special diet to maintain the color of their plumage.
Nice.
To your right is the redbirds, home to the impressive shoebill and other birds dependent on some of the world's most exemplary habitats. Spend some quiet time birdwatching from the feeding gallery, designed to simulate an observation high. The Royal Rabbit, home to crown pigeons, the world's largest and most beautiful pigeons. They are native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya. To your left are the hornbills and toucans. These birds have impressive oval-sized bills to reach fruits and enjoy a close encounter with the hornbill during Hornbill Chit Chat at 11:45 a.m. daily. Windows on Paradise to your right is home to some of the most beautiful birds on earth. The birds of paradise are known for their courtship displays, which include dances and golf. We are about to make our first stop at Tram Station 2. We invite you to take a stroll through Lorry, the world's largest lorry-free flight aviary. If you would like to feed the lorries, please purchase a cup of lorry food. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets.
You are now at Station 2, Lorry Lounge Station.
Bueno, esto fue un video que se